Morning, loves. It's 8 a.m. and I need to get ready to go to work. But I'm in Dumbini today, so yeah. And I woke up missing my mom today. I was thinking about her. Yeah, it was just one of those days, and it made me remember why I am on this path I'm on, because when you are always the strong one, or you are the strong one in the family, or you are the one that's saving everyone in the family, it gets to a point whereby it gets exhausting. I woke up one day and I realized that should I die today, let's say I die, I literally can't count on anybody to give my kids the life I want them to have. And should anything happen to me today, I'm disabled, I'm paralyzed, I know that it's going to be what it is. You understand that? So you get to a point whereby you understand that you have nobody to save you, and you can't live your life saving everybody. Like, the maths does not make sense. So from a young age, I all I know is to, look after everybody, be there for everybody, be the strongest one. And I think into that enforced this was taking upon umsebenzi wabantu abadala. That's where sometimes I'm angry at my ancestors, because I'm like, that's why I'm saying at 40 I'm clocking out, because I know that I would have done so much that now I can rebalance and refocus the energy on myself, guys. So, like, family can get to a point whereby they forget that you're a mother that's grieving her mother, that's raising kids, that you need to build a life for your kids. And if you can't be there to their disposal whenever they need you, you are not a good person, or you are not the person to run to. So I am working so hard to create a life, that is so good for my boys, that they never have to find themselves in survival mode. They never have to find themselves looking after everybody. I want them to be equally independent. I want them to be equally, depending on whatever they want to do, success in whatever they want to do. It might not be the same thing, but like, my chat is that it ends with me. And I'm slowly starting to explore how life can get so peaceful if you start choosing yourself. And to you as my subscriber, if you're watching this and you feel good, oh, you're the breadwinner, you're the one that's saving everyone, all of that, step out of that role. Nobody gave you that role. It was just automatically assigned to you, And everything else, I'm grateful that, look, my sisters have carried me so far, even post my mom's passing, I'm still standing. And the part that nobody speaks about is rebuilding after you've just lost a parent. That part is like, it feels like you're starting over in life. You're starting literally from zero, because there's no sense of normalcy after that. So I feel like I don't want to call myself a strong person, but I feel like I'm on the right path. And my mom is cheering me on, literally. She's always that voice of keep on going. But one thing I will not do is live in survival mode. And I have tapped out of that. I'm prioritizing myself first. I'm putting myself first. I deserve to live soft. And that is why every chance I get, I will prioritize myself. I need to be fixated on creating memories for my kids. I need to be fixated on creating a beautiful childhood for my kids, and not prioritizing hore mang halal shebo, mang halal mtlakase, like uphilela month, and that can't be my life. I rebuke that spirit. So I'm just here to say to you, I know I've said a lot of things, but prioritize yourself. think of the life you want. Because normally when we say these things, you're literally thinking about, oh, I want a soft life. Soft life doesn't mean just luxury, babe. It means being able to wake up and know that you're okay. Being able to wake up and know that your life is stable. Being able to wake up and know that, you know, what you want, you can attain. You're working towards your goal without any obstructions. Like, there's so many people I come across that come to me and be like, Gogo, if I was not a breadwinner in my home, I feel I could have achieved X, Y, and Z. And then I say to them, then stop being that. You need to stop being that. Literally, if it's not serving you, stop being that. I exited that charago. Because one thing I know, if I didn't have kids, my ancestors know very well, I would not even be in the country. Because that's just me. But the responsibility that we incur, like and all of that, I am not entering that chat anytime soon. I feel that I want to create a different chapter for myself and a different story. And and that hakanyala. So now automatically no, I still want to do the things I want to do. So this the chapter I'm in is called Choosing Myself. Wondering what life feels like, you know, centering yourself and just your kids. You know what I mean? So I think that's the chat. And step out of survival mode. I hate that thing with all my heart. I know what it feels like. Hey loves, it's maintenance day. My appointment is for 11:45 and it's currently 10. So I have an hour to practically get ready and prepare to go. So before we get ready and chit chat, let me take my supplements. So this is the Ashwagandha that I was telling you about. I got this Ashwagandha at Clicks. It was where? I think I was in Daintree or something. But I got this ashwagandha there. So when you're buying ashwagandha, just look at the back, guys. Uguti ingaganani. This is 500 milligrams per capsule. So if you take 2, it means you're taking 1,000 milligrams. Okay, guys, I hope you like my wig. This is my mom's wig. So today I thought, let me channel some Elizabeth in the Hazel Basil. I'm tired of straight hair, but my mom was that girl, guys. She was that girl, but I tried to style it out a bit. But yeah, so yeah, you're gonna see me wearing a lot of my mom's wigs these days because I miss her. But anyway, so this is what the capsule looks like, right? So this is what the capsule look like. So I used to take 2, and there's 60 of them, so you can literally go a month. I used to take 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, but then I just take 1. But I also love the Dis-Chem one. It's just that this one is more. So just look at the back when you are buying. So if you want something stronger, you just look there at the back. So, and then this is the magnesium glycinate. So I bought this at Dis-Chem, right? It's got it's highly absorbable magnesium with boron. So please take this when you're going to bed. Don't take it during the day because it might leave you a little bit exhausted and stuff, you know. But Yonashem, it's very good for the body and to just keep your body in shape. Remember, I told you I'm not a fitness bunny mina. Anything that requires me to exert energy. When I go to gym, I'm just going there to look pretty and just walk on the treadmill. But this literally is very good. So I'm not taking this. But in the morning, this is what I take. And then I also will take my L-glutathione. So I've been taking these it's been a while. So I buy them literally also at Clicks. You could also get them at Dis-Chem, I think. So I buy these at Clicks. So I take 1 sachet every morning and 1 sachet before I go to bed. So you get 10 of these, right? So in every 5 gram of sachet, 5 gram sachet, you'll find where's this I'm looking for? So it's got L-glutathione, right, and vitamin A. So it's 1.5 milligrams. So if you take this, it means you're taking 3,000 milligrams. So the glutathione girlies know that. No. So I take this with my cranberry juice. It's tasteless, but you can get a flavor one. So let's mix. So I'm out of coconut water, guys. That is also that coconut water is good for the body as well, but also for your face. Ashwagandha, magnesium glycinate, coconut water, that combo slaps, especially in tackling your moon face. Maybe I'll find a picture and show you that I had a moon face, but like since I started taking these supplements, guys, I'm looking better. I'm feeling better. You know what I mean? So let me just scrape this off the sides. Okay. Okay. That slaps with juice. Guys, so this is the wig. This is how it looks. So yeah, I tried my level best, but I like it like this. You know, this was my mom's steez and all of that. So I'm gonna be doing my brows and putting some lotion on my face. Yeah, putting some face cream. So as a woman, it's important that you invest in this particular ritual called Maintenance Day. Maintenance Day means a reset to your energy and everything, because you literally get time to be by yourself and pamper yourself. And also, when it comes to choosing a nail color, all these other things, they are just deep spiritual acts, guys, if you trust me, because I'm normally a red nail girly. And red is powerful, it's bold, it's dominant, it's, you know, a girl in, you know, her feminine energy, her dark or either bold feminine energy. So that's the energy I'm channeling. And whenever I have red nails on, things just seem to be floating in my life. I don't want to lie. So it's either like I'm just going through a phase or something, but red nails always win for me. And then when it comes to black nails, I've done black nails, and trust me, whenever I do black nails, my life just is literally going the wrong, because remember, your hands are the first things you touch, so that's the energy you're sending out to things that you touch in your life. So it's important to choose a good nail color, the energy. And also, I'm not a white nail girly, because white is normally for new beginnings, you know, those things, starting over, and I'm tired of starting over. But if in Kampe you're gonna see me with white nails on, it's in this day and age, you must know that maybe I had a deletus VTS, I'm starting over or something, because yeah, I'm not in the mood for starting over. Honestly, I'm not in the mood for starting over, guys. This wig slaps. I just feel like I need to give it a little bit more attention when I have time, but I love what it's giving, you know. I remember the time my mom, she asked me to style this wig for her, and I didn't even know what I was doing. I styled it, but I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm not good. I'm a boy, guys, but I'm learning these days. I'm learning. I want to go take makeup classes and all of that, but I'm not so fussy on makeup. I just feel like it's not that much of a big deal, you know. But yeah, situations whereby you need a good face beat and stuff like that. But I will see with time goes on. But I would really love to invest in a good makeup class. Oh. So Maintenance Day is a ritual. Invest in that as a woman. Nungakechi, guys. Every month, go for your maintenance. So I'm also out of lashes. I'll just wear the ones I was wearing, because I can't go to people looking like I was crying. So I normally do my own lashes. I buy my cluster lashes, individual cluster lashes, and then I put them on. So this is what it looks like when I took it out, but I'm gonna put it back on, guys. I feel like I'm so cramped for time, and my phone just literally showed me it's got a low battery and stuff. So just gonna quickly do my brows. Oh, actually, I think there's a power bank here. I'm a resourceful girl. Okay, let's put the power bank in. And that way I'm not panicking. So angthandi ukugqoka. It's on 0. Whatever. Let me just do my eyebrows, guys. So angithandi ukugqoka, guys. Winter, it's that season fashion against me. The only thing I think I enjoy about winter is just that my skin looks good. So that's why I love winter. But outside of that, I don't like winter. Like angithandi ukugqoka, angithandi ukusinda. Yabona manje, like the weather is just on and off. And I was thinking of wearing something else, but literally I'm gonna wear this top and jeans, and I'm gonna wear these shoes. Literally, Mr. Price, girly, you are the girl that you think you are. I remember when I came back with these shoes, my kids were like, oh, mommy, these shoes are so cute. So I love wearing these shoes. I know it's cold and stuff. And oh, my feet are peeling. My feet are peeling. And I'm also going to wear these earrings. These are also from Mr. Price. Mr. Price, my dear, you'll always be famous. Let me do my brows quickly, guys. I don't want to be late. Okay, I don't know now. Where's my... Okay, eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'll just do it here on camera. No, let me do it here.
Wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you whatever you want. Whatever you need. Listen to your heart. I'm the only nigga who poppin' that. Got it jumping out that heat, they like who copping that. G-Wagon got a brag and put a rock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Whoop, whoop. Copy that. I've been cuffing, Chanel bags like it's nothing. And she loved him, my last nigga, he was bluffing. He said fuck him, he let that go on like he bugging. Now she thugging, with a real one. I've been ballin' on you, smile on you.
I'm just requested for my Uber and I'm waiting for it. And then I'm also taking a snack and a banana. I'm gonna have this on my way because I don't know what's gonna be happening to my day today, but I don't want any distractions. I'm just showing you how I look. I look good, and my shades now in case I will need them. But I love this look, whatever it is. So today, nail wise, I'm thinking of going for the pink look. Pink nails, not too pink, but a nice, calm girl era pink. Because also, I'm just tired of red. Red, but I cannot ukuthi ngikhathale kakhulu. So I'm on time, guys. Ngicede ngesikhathi. Guys, mara ninomona. Nike nangibona mara kahle. Yeah. Okay, these are the shoes. They're jelly shoes, but they're nice and flat. Yeah. Ifriji igcwele. Ifriji igcwele utshwala. But I'm just gonna take water and a Red Bull. And that's it, missing a hammer. So I'm just waiting for my Uber and then we're done. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. And my ads, guys. Please watch the ads. Watch the ads, babies. Watch the ads. 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 I love this look, guys. I love this look so much. My mom had one of the dopest, has a dope wig collection. So these days, this is where I use a collection yaga girl. So when I would say, sing up for God. Look. Ah! I'll see you guys.
I was wondering, maybe, could I make you my baby? If we do the
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good, feel good, look great. Shaped like a number 8. Titties real, look fake. Yeah. Eat it up, whole plate. Got your hook, I'm bait. Sex drive, he can't wait. Make him come fast like let's race. Ride 6 Flags with my hands up. Drop that ass down, make it stand up. Baby mama can't stand us. Act tough, get your mans fucked. BBS is on Chanel pearls. Sweat it out, need a new curl. My pussy key to his whole world. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Big mama, no kids. Waiting for the right nigga, right time. Bitches hearing through the grapevine, I'm hearing GIA certified. Is you gon' make it rain for these thunder thighs? Yeah, I'm a 10 and a freak. I'm only spitting out Listerine. Play with me, don't play with me. Yeah, hoes ain't had emotion when the doorbell ring. 10 French tip toast and then these Dolce heels. Same maggot ass hoes stay on my dick for real. Man, what the fuck I look like tripping off some dick for real. God ain't stop making them when he made his for real. I'm so summer on a nigga way, I switch him out. On my mama, I give a nigga something to figure out. Look who tripping out, she done switched around.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Good skin, rich too. Still doing it like Brent do. Used to have a chip too for the synthetic, not a wig glued. I'm a homeowner with a swim pool. Built like figure 8, I'd be intimidated. Team tight, can't penetrate. Many men who minute men ain't any men I ever date. Generate more money than I blow it all on my own girls. Then I go home, chauffeur. Get home, so bad. Feet hurt, sore abs, tight calves. I'm like that, but it's like that for the show, girl. In my backyard, getting dome, girl. In a sun chair with my toes, girl. In his bedroom on a poster.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you walking like body burgers, like don't be in the home, but like tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Posing who just left to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. A slave where the love is high. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
On my hood, I look fly, I look good. Touch my swag, this shit good. I look fly, I look good.
I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm hesitant. Sex games go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was.
that's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never told you.
Hey loves, I'm done with my nails. I hope you like them. Shout out to Group Elsa. Hello. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, we're good. Hey loves, I just got home, so I am. Yeah, that's the end of my day. Literally, ngikhathele namanje ngizopheka. Ngenza ipapa ne vors de chakalaka. And then yeah, I'm calling it a night. Okunye ngesizobona kusasa ngikhathele guys. Oh, what do I want to say? Oh, tomorrow ngisendumbeni. So yeah, we're waking up early, so might as well prepare for that. So I'm excited and let's get this going. Thank you so much for watching until this far. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye.
Fucking short. I just pick out my door. Pull it off and I'm gone. Then I go up before. Then I roll up that roll up. Then I'm calling your whore. Pick up the phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. I'm in the zone, baby. Straight up. Just put up before, baby. Never will I cheat on you. Never will I give me cheesy. Blow on the back of you.
Guys, this is the update on my peeling feet. As you can see, they are honestly peeling, so I'm just a bit concerned about is our pelanini peeling, but they are peeling. It's coming okay, so I'm assuming that this is all the dead skin. The only thing that's bothering me is that like ziyafufureka, especially after ngqibo hlamba, like no, ziyafufureka, like ziyafufureka, imifufuro nje, just look. So yaba, like the dead skin is just nje falling off. I'm sorry if you are a sensitive viewer, but thina sikhule sifundiswa ngumistress abanemikenke enjenana. Bo Mrs. Swanepoel. So even here it's so dry, so nje. I'm happy to be single in such instances, because imagine you have to go explain to umfana ubano I'm peeling my feet. So I'm calling it a night. Yeah, this is it for me. I just need to buy and sell it. I'm just gonna sell. I just need to drink amapilisi amatambo, guys, and then amapilisi flu. And then I can rest, because ngizwa nje nginamakhaza kuyada. And then what I did was, I had a long day today, but I'm glad it's over. Yeah, guys, can you imagine saying like we are that generation now, we are that group, literally, like, you know, low-key, I'm so happy, I'm proud of myself, guys. These are my nails. Like this is a gel overlay, even on my toes. Let me show you on my toes. Sorry, I forgot to show you. Let me show you on my toes. So okay guys, it's in amaphilisi amatambo so I can rest And then I'm gonna do my eyelashes tomorrow. Oh, let me show you the eyelashes I got. I went and got lashes at Clicks, right? I got these lashes because I normally buy them at some shop in Northmead, but I couldn't go, so I got these ones. They got 10, 12, 14, and 16. So they basically are a good palette of lashes because they literally are guiding you how to apply the lashes on. And then I also bought these as well, but when it comes to these I cut them up. I don't like wearing strip, you know, but these are like a minimal look. So yeah, I really like these. I like these a lot. So I got it in silver ring, and I don't know if ziyabonakala ukuthi azifani lezi zinto. Mina ngibona azifani. But yeah, I like these. So you can get these at Clicks, guys. And the glue I use is this. Is this. I just didn't go to where I normally buy my glue at, and then that's it. So I'll be putting them on very soon. I just haven't had the time. But anyway, kusasa ngemanzini. It's Saturday, so I don't think I'm going to need to do my lashes. So good rice nje ukuthi ngihambe ngiyongena emanzini nginje. So that's why ngithi ngiphuza amapilisi wami wamathambo and enjoy peeling my feet. Guys, try these foot peel things. They're really good. And then yeah, so ngibona ukuthi umqolo ungenza njani kusasa because yo but anyway, I'll see you in the morning, guys. I love you. Bye. Wenzani?
I keep.
Yini?
Ile.
Dead skin.
Yeah, just again.
Say mommy.
Mommy.
Unomkenke.
Nakenke.
Babo Maria.
Baba Maria.
Libo Rosina.
Mirosina. Huh? I will keep her. Will keep.
Okay, thank you, sweetie.
Yeah?
Ngilahlela phansi, lahlela la.
Oh.
Angikho sayibona.
Okay. Let's keep it there.
Ngibana la.
Oh, okay.
La, yeah.
Okay. Let's keep it Lana. Yeah.
Yeah, boom. Yeah, boom.
Yeah. I bet say let's keep it there.
Where's your plan?
Should keep. Mama. Say keep her, Mom.
Okay, baby.
And I boom.
Yeah, boom. Mhlawumbe ufuna idinosaur futhi. Ufuna idinosaur futhi.
Put your contents.
Uthi ngitshute ini?
Contents. Let's go.
Lihle ya papa wena.
No. Let's go cook.
Is it a good night, life on it? It's a good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Don't forget to like.
Good guys for like.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Bye.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey set us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be low at one time. Sit down in a class and we pour them. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it farm love to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just shot ya. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, and just to the plus. Yeah. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand.
loves, welcome to what is the last part of this vlog because we've been at it. Oh, look, have kids, they said. Look at what has happened to my roller. So I am literally just giving labantana because I love my kids and stuff, but like sometimes they really get on my nerves. And yeah, so that's why I look forward to Mondays, because we have people that we pay but yeah, well, mangantela ukuthi ne tablet esetemu iphume ibutton lelo ukuthi lilayite, and literally they don't get, as long as the Wi-Fi is connected, they're asking you, mommy, you want to be going to McDonald's? I guess that's just kids for you. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep on doing the right thing. Yes, in winter, guys, but niyayithanda for my skin, but I hate it for how my skin will just be so dry. So these like now winter season, I'm buying face masks that are just literally hydrating, moisturizing my face, because literally pela every day I bath twice. So there is a level that, you know, umzimba you strip away the natural moistures of the skin, you understand, and all of that. But it is what it is. Let us do our lashes together. So like I showed you, lama lash law, guys, but I normally buy my lashes from in Northmead Mall. Yeah, not Square, Northmead Mall, where they sell makeup and all those stuff. It's a really cool shop, you should check it out. I forgot their name, but opposite pep. Yeah, so I buy my lashes there. So I get those mink lashes there. Angifuna ukufaka ilash eliqinile mina ngasi in my eyelash kapabi. But this, I'm loving the texture. For the price I paid, the texture is not bad, and I love ukuthi liza ngama step. So sizozama ukuthi senze izinto ezirayi sibe ne lash elihle elinyisayo and all those other things. And then yeah, let's get into it. So it comes with water repellent. Wow, this is so cool. And a clear adhesive. So mina, this is what I use for my lashes. So basically we can last something for like weeks and weeks and weeks. Understand, guys? As in, I really need to see a physiotherapist. There's some people I saw on TikTok and they're in Pretoria, so I checked out their rates. They're actually not that bad, so I feel like I'm gonna go there because ngiyabona man ukuthi if uyofika umuntu sekahamba ngenduku, like what is this, ibizwa nete enguyo, the chapter enguyo ekuphatha umqolo. But ngithume nomntanami la usamkela amaphilisi ungithengela ama-Endosin. So ngiphuza ama-Endosin lawa ne-Flustat because bengemanzini mina ngisho ngiyisangoma in my part time. So bengemanzini kunabantu bengibayisemanzini, but it was a family bebazele ukugeza. So yeah, literally I'm telling you about 7 people. So you can imagine nje ukuthi ngihlalile emanzini and all of that, and ngiphume la sengirasha bengilate ngapha kuningi, guys. Mangithi kin ama weekend mani ngibona ngihlezi ngiphethe izontoza iniphi esandleni, ningangijudge. Izinto engihlangabezana nazo ngimncane, so zinkulu. Anyway, so I got a DM as usual, guys, and here's an DM, guys. Hey Gogo, my life is falling apart, and you know, I wanted to come and consult, but due to financial restrictions, angikwazi nokuthi ngiconsult. However, I'm caught up in a predicament yokuthi ngekhaya or yabo ngenzeni. And I responded, I told her, baby, go home. There is nothing wrong with rebuilding your life, because I think we have put so much societal standards, ukuthi going home uzohlekwa abantu and all those other things. Allow yourself to rebuild. Don't start over. Rebuild. So mdala manje start over sibadala, guys. We are rebuilding our lives because we understand what we did wrong. You can't expect the decisions you made in your 20s to sustain you in your 30s, because in your 30s you're a different person. You've evolved, you understand that? And now anything that does not bring you peace anymore, that does not bring you comfort, it means Oguti, your life is literally saying to you, we need to do an audit. This is no longer serving us. How are we moving forward, etc., etc. be afraid to go home and start over. Usabusaban. Because the problem is that society has just put this unrealistic standard of a woman's success or how your life should be. If you are not living in an apartment, driving or modem, doing all those things, it means you are not as successful. You understand that? Headboard yengubo. It means ukuthi awukho lapho empilweni. Kanti no, that's not the chat. The chat is you working towards that, because you moving while you are looking at someone else's life and judging your life is the biggest detriment that you can do for yourself. You won't move forward. You'll just be stuck in limbo. So you cannot let societal pressure dictate what is success for you. We are all working towards something at the end of the day. You understand? Don't be under pressure, guys. A person will be sitting online and judging you. Why also it's so say it's you are not sharing the same struggles as that person. You know, muta about judge or rekela banadia baroko kai kai or leave people to think whatever they want to do and do you. And you are allowed to start over as many times as you want to. But I say we are big girls. We are not starting over. We are rebuilding because we've learned our lessons. You understand? A typical example, my mommy, when I was doing grade 1, she was literally, still fresh in her marriage. You understand that? And my mom was going through a very tough time. And you could just tell, because she would tell me the stories whenever we'd be looking at pictures, and she'll be like, hey, we have la gutsi besiguphi lana bekunzima benganani bra bengananani, but being feel ukuthi at least nje as long nina ni right, because bengihlala nani but yabona babe X Y and Z. And then wathola umsebenzi umama as a tea lady. She was working for a mining company, and she was, she's ungene lapho, but she had a qualification to, work at the reception and all that, blah, blah, blah. So she eventually applied for that job in that company, but she started out gunzima. You understand? My dad was just out and about, living his best life, giving 0 F's in the world. What the hell is happening? You understand? So, Mama, what he is in Thomas says right. You understand? She was literally looking after us, her siblings, her other family members. With the little money that she was earning, she was looking after people. You understand? So, at the end of the day, my mom segamdala, and now literally all those people, they're laughing that, oh, segayakula. Mind you, mdala lo muntu lo, she worked her whole life. Benidla email zakhe anthengela amagruza ayenzani. You understand? Okay, fine. So mama uyagula, usaba nokubonisa abantu ukuthi uyagula, usaba nokutshela ifamily, because she knows that they're gonna laugh at her when they see, how they laughed when she passed on. It's like she knew that these people ain't loyal like that. You understand? But I look back at those situations and I ask myself, where would my mother have been in life if she did not, if she did not meet my dad, if she didn't have such an entitled family, entitled siblings who felt like she owed them or anything like that. You understand? Month end, my mom was living paycheck to paycheck. And okay, I thought this eyelashes audition into my eye. I thinking ukuthi guys, mina ngifasti ke mangifaka ama eyelash. So sengifake 14 ngapha 14. So ngifaka abo 14 abayi 3. But ngizoba phinda futhi because mina ngithanda ama eyelash wami abe dark nyana yabo, ubone vele ukuthi umntana ufakile. So angifikanga ke nakuloyo okay, so la ngifaka ama 14 ayi3 no 12 oyi1. So ngizobuyela manje. Yabo? So ngizobuyela manje. But yeah, but they look good. Just that I like a darker looking lash. A fuller. Let me just say fuller. Maybe the word I'm looking for is fuller. So then this is how they look right now. Okay. So automatically when my mom stopped working, I was just by default assigned that position. Ukuthi, yeah, now you are the breadwinner and sizokhalela kuwe and all of that. And you know, so when you find ukuthi abantu guys umqomo ongagqwali noma ungabenzelani anyeke bavume, like ayikho leyo nje ukuthi abantu bazokujabulela ukuthi abantu abaqwali awuqwali lo mqomo lo. Because I just feel like they should have added 2 lines of the 14s. Instead, they just made 1 line. Like now, I'm also at a phase of rebuilding and just learning to have boundaries and understanding that I do not owe my family anything. Literally, you understand? I am trying to create a life for my kids and whatever. So umuntu will talk and say whatever they want to say, but I do not care. Literally. My chat comes back to this. Put yourself first. We are all given the same amount of hours in the day. And you make a decision to do better what's for yourself. Puma ebantwini who are in silent competition with you. Be it friends, be it a partner. You know, choose yourself. Don't find yourself in situations whereby you overcompensate. Because maungazazi ukuthi ubani or where you lived your whole life of being validated by your family ukuthi yo umpho uthengile ishebo and suddenly you are the best person in the family, lento le is going to kill you. It's going to kill how you navigate in your relationships and your families. So to ugogo lo ungisendele DM, go home babes, hamba uyothatha amandla. If ekhaya it's toxic, hamba uyohlala emqashweni. You understand? If you can't afford emqashweni, like there's always ways around life. Guys, but I'm loving this, what's happening here. It's looking better. It's looking better. So, rebuild, rebuild. There's so many chances. 80% of the chances, the people that are judging your rebuilding season are stuck in their chaos. You understand? And they are projecting guwe. Ukuthi why you lona ini they literally watching your life like a movie while they are stuck. So at least when you are rebuilding, you're going through the ups and the highs. You understand? So you can't argue with those situations or those type of people. You need to just adjust. So that's where my sentiments were echoed from. Ukuthi, you know what? Learn to choose yourself. My mom was so selfless, and Masega Kulala, she was literally with me. Not to say she was alone, but all these people that she was sacrificing herself for were not there. So there is no reward for being selfless, for being the savior, because nobody is coming to save you, baby. Nobody's coming to save you. Okay, so I'm now gonna put the 16. Okay, I'm at 16. Oh gosh, these lashes. I thought they just ones. I'm at 16 lawa. Okay, I'm now caught up. Yeah. Oh. Okay. The 16 is in. It looks good. All right. Inga good smart del won't get my eyelashes 16 yakhona yinde. But ngiyayithanda i-length. Hayi kusongathi manje umqwayizi, but ube kahle nje, ube decent. Clean girl nje. Yabo, so ungaphatha i-stress babes, hamba ngepace yakho. Izinto makumele sihlangane zizohlangana. Bangathanda zizohlangana. You understand? Allow yourself to rebuild, and that's as good as it gets, because anyeke umunye umuntu, why will leso sikhathi lo muntu has never paid any installment, doesn't even know what it is to rent an apartment. Understand lo muntu akakaphuma taste impilo. Solo kwaba uye. When at least so hambe wabuya watesta ukuthi, oh actually I don't want to rent, I want a bond. You understand? Like me, I made sure that right now ngibane pay slip, because literally things like the system is rigged, guys. No, you just showing up and saying you're doing this, your credit needs to precede you. I understand. If not, SARS comes looking for you. When SARS comes looking for me, no one is gonna help me. So I need to make sure that everything that I make matches. So now I have a payslip, And it makes sense so that when I get money, when my money is together, I go to the bank won't say, oh, you understand? So you need to go to a squelette of some sort in your life. Show the system that you exist. You're like everyone else. We are going. Then life becomes easier for you. Life becomes easier. I mean, literally, after Big Brother, I couldn't even afford a basic thing like an apartment, you know, because my credit was effed. The system was like, no, sissy, we don't know you. We see that in your bank you have money, but you can't afford. We don't trust you. What if you disappear? So you need to work towards those things. It's okay, I want a bond house. How do I acquire that? What avenues do I have to go through that? Okay, the system says I need to be able to be in this kind of tax bracket or earn this kind of much or have equally as you too. So I show the system that I am not a robot. You understand? So umuntu nje uhlele endlini athi mina kuyimi kube ngenza so. No, everything you must pace it. You must pace it so that you know how to move, because the SARS is always watching. Oh guys, I love these lashes. I feel like I ate. So this is just my 2 cents of advice. Ukuthi ungasabi ukuqala phansi, ungasabi rebuilder babes. Yabona, for the fact ukuthi usavuka ekseni usazama, it means ukuthi there's an equal chance for you to rebuild your life. The universe has not written you off. It's like, we want to give you a chance. Keep going. What's next? Uyaiva sana. Okay, so manje ngivala my gap lana ne abonwa yimi nina ngeke nwabone, but ngifuna mangifakile eyelash kungabi na my gap, so everything just looks seamless. Guys, ningangimind mina mangixoxa, I'm literally all over the place, but niloko nila senizongijwayela ukuthi umpho unje. So I see the gaps, but I'm just closing them up. I think I need to close this side. But these lashes are pretty nice. I feel like these ones, you can also reuse them if you are those girlies, you know. We'll keep lashes reinstall food. But sizobona ukuthi lawa I will last how many, but also last because of the glue I use. So I'll only put okay, we'll just use this finishing coat because ngifuna ukubona ukuthi yenzani, and then ngifake 16 kokugcina. So yeah guys, azithandeni man, make use with what you have. Uyekile ukubheka omunye umuntu phambi kwakho. There are people literally in silent competition with you that you're not even aware of, you know. Pume mantini who don't understand who you are. Sometimes learn to be alone. A season of isolation does not mean that you have failed in life. It just means that you are redirecting your energy. You understand? So do better for yourself, man. Do better for yourself. Because the thing in jail and savior syndrome, not savior syndrome, yeah. You literally even become a savior in your relationships. Anything, Joanna, you always want to save people. You always want to save people. So I was gonna apply mascara, but I'm gonna apply mascara tomorrow. Masewa will make it, guys. Alright, so this is the li mascara mina, but I like using it also for my bottom lashes. It just gives me a nice volume because I got beautiful eyes. Oh my gosh, na lilinga phuma la ila kubleli ila lana. Okay, it's a solid. Oh my god, it's ngiphuza amapilisi omqolo guys, my back. Yo so I understand ukuthi mile mangemanzini ngithathe 50,000 because literally my health is at risk at this point. Like kupena yinkinto, kubesana kupena yinkinto ubuhlungu manje umqolo. Unokuthi abantwana banginyathele and nginokuhleka umama makayenza lezi zinto. Sometimes ngidineke makathi Dimbo uzonginyathela umqolo, hayi manje sekuyimi lo girl. Angifuni nane massage. Like I need that guy from Pretoria, Fizz. Yeah, but I DM them. So soon I'm gonna go there. Because kunzima nokuhlala ekansini, like kunzima guys, kunzima. So I So bafazi focusani niqineni inhliziyo niqineni nazi ukuthi, and especially once uneyingane nje your priorities are just different, you understand? Mina vele ngifunela abantwana bami ekhaya laba angifuni ucabanga sengibona uzeli kukithi la sekayalwa laphaya. Guys, this thing, it will literally make you feel like a lash life. I love this. Be your own lash artist. Wear up to 1 week. No, these lashes are good. It's in extra gentle long hold adhesive up to 1 week, and in water finishing coats. Wow, this I love it. So asifake le coats le ngibone ukuthi abakanjani mase sifake le coats, but I feel like sewayawoma engidlu sengizoyisusa because ngiyophuza itiya mangiqeda la mina hlale engubeni sengidindela kusasa. Oh wow, yo, my bad. Okay, I'm using this brush because ngifuna ukuthi iwe like ngathi ngifake mascara, yabo. Ngiyawafaka ke mina ama-eyelash mascara. Oh bantu, guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh, guys, I think I'm in love. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. Okay, I think I'm in love. Okay, there's a gap here. Let me quickly fix it. These are so nice. These are so nice, guys. Hamanote get putsuma, guys. Hamanetflix. Itflix is that girl. Ngapegi, what's malini? Invest in yourself as a woman. But if we are around the East End, I think, you know what, and the next time I'm just gonna cut them up like ngoba aza I cluster so mina ngizowakhatha aza I cluster so ngibonise ukuthi azanjani aza I cluster so mina ngifuna ukwakhatha njengoba nje ngikhathe kayi3 or kayi4 because mina vele nje ngiyinja eMalaysia inkungenze next ngawenza ekseni bathi iflight imile la ngaphandle mina ngenza amalash wami. So lashes are just a very convenient way to just wake up and look pretty, you know. I love lashes, Mina. You can't tell me otherwise. I just feel they just accentuate my eyes, you know. And also you need to know what lash size works for you. They wear long lashes and then they look weird. They look weird. Guys, I think this is enough. But I love how this looks. I love how this brings on fageli mascara, guys, but manje, so I think we're done for the day, but this is how my lashes look. Sing big pants so I'm fageli mascara langa pants. I can show you maybe the full look. Oh, I'm saying his boots up, guys. Then I just put my mascara and then that's it. So but in fact deeper and then a little bit of lash liner, but this is how I look, guys. Mind. So this is how I look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this self-care vlog and all of those other things, and you're gonna see me on the next vlog. Please stay tuned to the channel because I love and I appreciate you. Remember, there is no reward for saving everybody. Nobody is coming to save you, so you need to save yourself, baby. Ungahamba uye emnganeni ufike ukhale umxoxele inkinga zakho uhleli ilanga lonke uphuze ibuzz ball, but oh anyway they're coming back month end for no more alcohol. So ulontoze umcocele zonke indaba zakho. But the fact is, nobody will change your life for you. Nobody will make it. Just do an audit on yourself. Analyze what's happening in your life. Happy with where you are. If you are not, analyze the things that are taking from you and and see how you maneuver. Even cost-wise, stop living under pressure. You have nobody to impress. Live within your means. Save up if it needs to. So that impilo yakho izoba ngcono, because you are building. We are building here. You won't be 20 something or 30 something forever. Uzoba na 40, ube na 50. So anye kuphike nabantu aba online abangakwazi sando sami ukuthi bazothini or ini. No, focus on yourself. Own lane, own pace. Own lane, own pace. And the beautiful part about chaos and failure is that it births a new version of yourself, and then you rebuild from there. So don't look at anything etc. back in life and look at it negatively. Understand that things fall apart first before they have to fall into place. So you are on a new chapter now. When things are falling apart, just know good. Oh, we are now elevating to a new chapter of my life. We understand that. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. I don't want drama. I don't want drama. I don't want drama. The only place you will find me is in my bed. Wearing what? Pajamas. Pajamas. You need to have pajamas as a girl. Own pajamas and stay in bed. I love that. That's the only thing. My kids even know me. Like when I come back from work, the first thing I do is jump into the bed. Wear bath. Jump into the bed, wear my pajamas, because this is my safe space. When I'm in the bed like this, nobody can say anything. And then I doom scroll. And then, I wake up. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. It was so worth it. Don't forget, alright, on my lash, but I was just plugging you. So, nyolala guys. Nyolala. That's it. Ngikhathela angisafuni next. Ngithenga namapijama namakaos nibe abantomazana azithandayo. Intombazana enjani ulala ngeskipa ujuwishazo. Intombazana enjani elala ngama leggings. Intombazana enjani elala nge-gym set. Uyintombazana enjani thenga amapijama iya yonke indawo, whether uye Mr Price, uye Pick n Pay, uye eJet, uye Ackermans, uye Pep okusalayo. Quality over quantity, or uthenge Shein. Buy pajamas. Invest in pajamas. Invest in pajamas. We are rebuilding together. So I hope you're gonna have a lovely week ahead, and I'll see you on our next vlog or content piece on the channel. Anything you'd like to see more of, just let me know in the comments section. Guys, I was gonna show you my feet, but nizong judge. Look at my feet. This is where my feet are. They are peeling so bad, guys. Like they are peeling so bad, like so freaking bad. Now manje, I'm gonna wear socks and Eve some Vaseline, because I'm tired. Like this shedding of skin, so I'm just gonna wear socks and Vaseline, and then because kuning angifuni nokufaka ama chemicals, ngifuna nje ukufaka iVaseline. So guys, ngiyanithanda. Zinageleni nibe right. Ngakho lithenga amapilisi wamathambo. Take care of yourselves. I love you, and invest in whatever. Emalini yakho invest in self-care. Buy face masks. Buy whatever, like into ekujabulisayo. Buy face masks. If awunayo imali yokwenza amazipho, buy stick-ons. Buy stick-ons. As long as your hands look neat. Buy stick-ons, and all those other things. But I'm coming back to make you happy. Don't worry. I'll see you very soon.
Did I ever ask you to take me?